What's being done to address the homeless crisis in southern Nevada? Steps are being made this week toward solving housing struggles here where we live. We showed you last night a double groundbreaking ceremony for affordable apartments.
Yeah, News 3's Marie Mortera learned why experts believe that home affordability is part of how we can all solve this issue of homelessness.
Ceremonial shovels in the dirt, marking a double groundbreaking ceremony in the Northwest and East Valley. This is one of many milestones toward more than 200 affordable apartments for people earning 30 to 80% of area median income. A project decades in the making.
This parcel's been owned by the Housing Authority for 20 years. Could never get anything to happen. And then COVID hit, the president was there, Congress is there, and we got the money.
Funding through the American Rescue Plan Act and Home Means Nevada initiative getting us to this day. Las Vegas Mayor Shelley Berkley has talked about the need for valley-wide collaboration on dire housing issues, including homelessness in the past. She says this is the teamwork she's envisioned.
This is exactly what collaboration looks like. It's a meeting of the county and the city coming together to help provide affordable housing, along with help from the federal government and the county and the city. Very, very important.
She and Commissioner William McCurdy II at the podium sharing personal stories to address the need of safe places to stay.
My family first came to town in the early 60s. We literally came here with the only things we owned were in a U-Haul hooked up to the back bumper of our car.
And Sunrise is near and dear to my heart because I have a relative that I used to go and hang out at their house, and it was public housing. We used to call it the bricks, the projects.
Commissioner McCurdy says this will provide more stability, and it is one of other projects to come. Next week, a groundbreaking on a historic West Side micro business center, which will include more affordable housing. The lack is addressed in the Southern Nevada Homelessness Continuum of Care census, suggesting a connection between rising home prices and the numbers of people who are now unhoused. 2024 saw a 20% increase from the year before, more than 40% of the unhoused population African American. I asked McCurdy what's being done to meet their needs.
One of the root causes of homelessness is a lack of employment and a lack of, well-being in terms of your day-to-day way of living. So we have to not only continue to provide more resources for those who are entering homelessness.
So says access to work and, yes, affordable housing. So that takes us to next week, where the commissioner, who is also with the Southern Nevada Regional Housing Authority, will break ground on that micro business park with 76 affordable housing units. Its location next to Nevada Partners and the Culinary Academy. I'll have more on that next week. For now, I'm Marie Mortera, News 3.
More than 770,000 people were experiencing homelessness in the U.S. last year, and that's according to data from the Department of Housing and Urban Development. That report shows that Las Vegas, Clark County ranked 11th for the cities with largest homeless population. New York ranked first, with Los Angeles right behind it. According to the data, 17 cities had more than 5,000 homeless people in 2024.
Let's take another look